In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw from Vantage to Trust Wallet. Now, first thing you need to do, you want to log in into your Vantage account. Now, after that, you want to click here on withdrawal. Okay, just click on withdrawal here. Now, after that, you want to select the account. Okay, and after that, you want to enter here the amount. So you can choose here the amount you want to withdraw to your Trust Wallet. Now after that, you want to click on continue. Now in the next page, in the withdrawal method, you want to select their e-wallet. Okay, e-wallet, and then you want to choose Trust Wallet and then enter your Trust Wallet details. Okay, just click on continue, and the next page you want to click somewhere here. You want to click on e-wallet. Now after you click on e-wallet, you want to choose, like I said, the Trust Wallet, and then you want to enter your Trust Wallet details, and then you will be able to withdraw from Vantage to Trust Wallet. Now that's exactly how simple it is. Very easy. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that will be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.